Oh.
What up, bitch?
Hi.
Don't even.
I was trying to get her sleeping. Look, she's up. I wasn't even loud. Good morning. Did I wake you up? The air woke you up. Sabrina? Did I wake you up?
I was out there talking.
Oh, shut up. You're just trying to blame it on me. It's morning and we slept the night
I'll call you right back.
away.
I'll call you right back, right?
It happened. Now we can turn back the hands of
I
time.
wasn't being rude. I'll call you right back. I had to hang up.
We
Ryan
were
was.
drunk.
I'm eating crackers.
Oh, we were
wasn't.
drunk and we were losing money at the casino. But it was all worth it, wasn't it?
What the fuck is she talking about?
She made a song about losing the money at the casino.
Guys, if you
And having
missed,
fun.
if you missed the live, we're here. This is us.
Yeah, sorry, Jessica was calling me.
This is us totally losing,
This is
but
us.
having a great time.
Yeah. What the fuck are you eating?
Crackers.
I gotta.
Oh, this is what's for breakfast.
Oh
Oh my God, Paula.
Raspberry.
Are you on? Are you?
I'm recording. I'm vlogging.
Oh shit.
Are you on live?
No.
Oh, then you could just fix it afterwards.
Yeah, you don't.
And don't put me on there only because I just woke up and look like shit. No
You
fucking
actually
makeup.
don't. You face.
All my wrinkles.
No, you don't even see your wrinkles.
Oh
don't.
shit, I have wrinkles.
It must be waterproof. Eyeliner?
Maybe it's not my new one. I didn't think this one was waterproof.
We gotta do this old lady's face. This old lady.
Old lady is right.
Oh, you do not look like an old lady. Oh, you're so sassy. Oh.
What?
Oh. Oh. What's so sassy, old lady? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You look like a fucking duck.
Hmm.
Or you look like you're sucking a pinky.
Hmm.
Oh my god. Give me that.
Hold on, you gotta wipe it though. Wait, wipe it. You have to cause my spit is in there. You have to make sure that it's in your lip.
Hello, my.
Does it really work? I should have did it before and after. Ooh, yeah, honey.
Did I big?
They look bigger. Wipe your spit. They look bigger. Ew, look. Do it again. Do they feel big? Do they feel bigger?
I feel like I got blowjob lips.
They do look bigger. You can do it again, but make sure it's over your lips.
I did have it over my lip.
Okay, do it like this then. Do it like this. And then put it on. The bottom's bigger. Yeah, you want to get all of the lip in there. I'll be back with the final reveal. Okay, wait, turn so you can see it. Okay. 1.
Oh no, I got.
Oh shit, she got lip.
I was wondering what the frig that was.
You gotta put lip gloss on.
What
Wait,
the hell?
here. Put this on. Put this on. Put this lip gloss on.
Oh my god, my lips hurt, man.
I know, they're numb, right?
And how long do you have to leave that on for?
Maybe a minute. Look at that bottom lip.
How long is this gonna stay like this?
Like 15 minutes, maybe.
My lip looks shitty.
No, it doesn't. It looks bigger. It looks bigger. It goes away. Look at her. Look at her loving her big lips.
Is that stupid or what? Because people are paying to get their lips like that?
Yeah, but this only lasts for like 15 minutes.
Oh.
I can't believe I only had 4.
It's only for like pictures or something.
Oh,
I
shoot.
feel better.
I gotta get my purse. You're getting out.
It's only for like 15 minutes.
Melissa, what do you bring?
What am I supposed to bring?
It's not locked.
What am I supposed to bring? What are we doing?
Well, just bring your pocketbook
Oh, shit.
money.
I
Yeah,
gotta get my
yeah.
sneakers.
Hope everything's good
But
with
a
that.
lot of people have been telling me bad things about
Well, I
it.
don't know
Yeah,
because
so-
I know quite a few people that buy their cars there and they have good. It just depends on the car.
So we're
don't
going
think there's
somewhere.
one
I don't know
car
where we're
lot.
going.
Rustic barn.
You're gonna get
Rustic
what you pay
barn.
for.
We're going to the rustic.
Right, and she had to get work
Gosh.
done to the Ford Edge.
Yeah, hello.
Say.
Hide your
Good
girls.
thing.
Right. I mean, they're in there.
Put your girls away.
They're in there. They just don't look like they are. Sorry, guys. Sorry, babe.
Oh, good, they did.
Twice she had it in the shop.
I'm wearing all my
But
Splenda.
they did
Today.
use her extended warranty.
So we're just
Good.
getting gas right now, and we shall be on our way to the rustic barn, where everything,
I'm looking for
where
a
everything
table,
is
a
rustic.
little table.
You might find one there.
For expensive
And-
though.
You think they have
What? What do you mean? So what?
Are they
We
gonna
over
have
here
bargains
pinching
and
pennies.
sales?
She makes good money.
Don't, will you
Paula?
stop telling people that? I have bills like everybody else.
I didn't say how much you made. I just said she makes good money. She can afford an expensive table. That's all I'm saying.
It depends. At this age,
Is there going to
you
be
want-
any tag sales on the way? Because
Oh
seriously.
yeah, save your money because you know
we
you're gonna
might
take it
see
with you
'em.
when you fucking die, right? Well,
You
All right,
guys- you
and we're
guys
off.
stay with the credit union?
How far is this
yes.
place?
Yeah.
At the credit union.
Oh
And
man.
have it there for a year.
Why are we going there?
Hold on to your car for 2 years.
45
and
minutes.
Your credit gets up there.
Yeah.
Isn't there anything else we can do around here? Around these parts of the woods? All right, well, if we see tag sales, I want to stop.
I remember the credit union. I am.
Because I was,
Well, hopefully we
I
see
was
some tag sales.
on the supervisory committee.
Yeah.
And the credit union.
Okay, we are now at the rustic barn. I've never been here. Sabrina said she saw it on TV on a commercial or the radio. Hot summer sale. Ooh, 20% off, guys. I know it's going to be pricey, so... Oh, hi. Good. You don't mind. I'm a YouTuber. You don't mind if I vlog. Okay.
Oh, that smells so good. Smell
And
that
I
one.
have it on this side and on that side.
Wonderful.
Oh, I like that.
Oh. Oh, that's pretty. You know, it said 20% off of clearance items. 20% extra.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
I was born and raised in Waterbury, so I know how it's
Okay, so it's not too far away.
not too far away.
maybe that lady didn't even... Oh, she does work here. Okay.
Our sign outside. It's 20% off all full price items, excludes furniture.
Brown sugar fig.
Yep, and then we do have an additional 20%.
Oh, that smells so good.
So there's some sale outside.
Hold on.
And then
I got it. Hold on. Let me smell it again.
All right, thank you.
That does smell pretty.
Oh, that smells so
I get
good.
the other smell on my nose.
Ma, you gotta smell this brown sugar fig.
I'm gonna buy that. I like that.
Guys, get your ideas, okay? You crafty people, all right? Because how much is this thing? You go chop yourself a piece of wood and you sand it down. That looks fake. It's not though. Oh, wait a minute. It's $18.
I know.
Plus 20% off.
Oh, really?
Yes. 18 plus 20% off. So what?
The
12?
wood is coming off it.
It's,
I don't care. I'll make my own.
it's authentic.
Okay, I'll make my own.
Okay, well, there it is. She can make her own. I want to see it too. Someday. This is cool.
Right?
This is nice.
Yeah, that is nice.
It's $100.
Yeah, I knew it.
How much is the clock on the wall?
Too much. Oh, look at these fancy little matchsticks.
This is like we're in Easton or something.
We were in Easton.
Well, yeah. Ancestors country fest.
Oh, I think Sabrina's got. Ma, you gotta smell this candle. No, smell this over here. No, it's brown sugar fig. Smell that. Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Isn't it?
Sweet,
Yeah,
but
it
pretty.
smells so good. How much are those?
Well,
15?
the big ones are 23. The big ones are 23.
Wow.
The smaller ones.
Oh, it smells so
And
good.
it's
Like
20% off.
a spray you would wear.
Mm.
Almost smells like the stuff that you body wash that
I've
you
been
have.
liking this.
Oh, let me
I don't
smell.
know why.
Amber Noir.
It's
Ooh,
kind of
so
a,
pretty. That's
It's
how it
kind of
smells.
like a wood.
So do you make
I
all the...
make all the candles, yes.
You do? Okay. And what about all the stuff? Your...
My husband makes all the furniture.
Nice. That's
And all the wood
awesome. I'm a use.
This one is an amber.
So we started
And
our
as much
business
as
at our
that.
house, actually.
Did you?
So you just started being creative at home, and then you said we should start a business.
Well, my husband's been a contractor for over 30 years.
Okay.
And he had his own building and remodeling business. And then decided to go into law enforcement in his early.
We are in, where are we? Killingworth, Connecticut. And this is where you will find the Rustic Barn. Could be one you used already.
Listen, you know how they have the fake ones? You put a
Fake
battery
candles.
underneath. I was holding one.
She had one that looked real though.
And I'm outside. You guys didn't get there yet. I'm trying to get everything set up, put the candles out there and everything. And so I'm like, what the hell is wrong with this? And it won't stay lit. It just won't stay lit. I looked on the bottom, it was fake. But it had wax on the top, and it was burned already. Like somebody tried to do that before. That's me.
Okay, ladies' weekend is coming to an end.
I gotta happen.
Goodbye, I love you.
I love you too.
I had fun.
Me too.
Until next time.
Until next time. Well,
Till I come over for my facial.
yes. Yes, and you can bring your nails and do my nails.
Yeah, I could do that. I could bring everything. So we gotta go back, clean up everything. I have to pee.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna be going back home.
Busy day.
On
for
the
4
road
hours of
again.
sleep.
I know, 4 hours of sleep. I think it was less than that. All right, guys, so we're leaving, going back home. It was a great weekend. I had a really great time. I enjoyed every single moment with my mom, with my aunt, and with Paula. And I appreciate you guys joining the live at the casino. And until the next video, which will be, of course, we'll be home with the fam. I do miss them. But I'm sure they miss me too. It's nothing like having mom, right? Okay, so until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. What?
If I get my cards read, I have to bring a white candle.
And it's white.
That's white, right?
Yep.
Smells pretty.
I mean that kind of candle.